Hi, this is Kayla Murphy of the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. You might be thinking, Kayla, what the heck are you wearing today? Well, I'm bringing the 70s back. We started the store in 1978 and you know we are retiring. So I wanted to just share that this Thursday at 9 a.m. we are having 70% off at Bolted Fabrics, at Notions, and books and patterns, lots going on. We have great sale fabrics at $2.99, 70s pricing, batiks, panels, more fabric throughout the store. And I'm going to mention also, if you can't make it in, please visit our website, fabricgarden.com. We have select fabrics at 35% online. So I'm going to show you something else. I'd also like to mention we have great Janome machines at great prices, in stock, ready for you, ready for the holidays. Regular machines, big long arm openings, and we'd love to see you. We can't forget our Notions department, all the doodads that we need. One thing that's going to be wonderful, the Arafil cotton thread, regularly $13.99, will be $4.19 a spool. Can't beat that. You use zippers in your projects or home deck things. All regular zippers will be 50 cents. All separating zippers, jacket zippers and things, $1. Also, wonderful patterns. We have dollar patterns. If it's not for you, what about some nice stocking stuffers for your friends? And Notions, so you have quite a bit left. So this starts Thursday, 9 a.m., 70% off Bolted Fabrics, Notions, panels, and we can't really see them all, but we have wonderful quilts for sale, samples. They're now 40% off. Great Christmas gifts or treat yourself to something. You want to get a present for somebody, great samples around the store. So please come visit us in store Madison, and if not, online at fabricgarden.com for select fabrics and samples on sale. Thanks. Happy holidays.